Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Flat British over there. Not that you can really see him through all that glaring haze. It's getting a bit more shaded area.
Fireworks on
Anti-Jubilee Day. Is it, Matt?
yeah, man. What's in the tree? Fancy tree,
Hmm.
What's that?
Oh, I feel that you can go there. We'll get much closer to that. I poured a little bit of carbon in it out of them oxygen tanks. Yeah. Matt, good here. Full of carbon as well. Well, remember you put that rocket.
That's a rabbit.
Huh?
The rabbit.
Yeah.
There's a lot of carbon. Cheers, guys. Back there. I can't see you. You can have to sit at an angle to the camera.
No.
Otherwise, back.
That's alright, my back's to it.
Alright, back to the camera then. Hassle intense. But me, have some dry wood. All these bricks are from me. All these bricks are from me. Oh, I know what about in always the old handicap bricks was. Before it was knocked out, you know, when after it was knocked down, took all the bricks, so there was a house in the estate where it was down. And all the bricks like down on there. And these blocks of all should have got more of them these blocks, so they used them for that house in the estate. Not cheap these blocks, are they? $5 each. And then you got to pay shipping, and that's what.
I was getting proper hot.
It's the bum's cold on the nice.
Oh, it's grass is lovely for earth, ground and...
Comes up, as soon as you get it all comes back up. Oh, it's not in my earwax. Not in my earwax, so. Have you got that in your head? Oh, look at that. Well, wrong way be.
Not bright orange, is it?
This one's going to go towards the fire.
Bright orange feet.
Yeah, it's going towards the fire though. Wrong way. It's no red.
Not bothered by that though.
Yeah, but it gets lit by them plates. It's
Plenty of wood. That's your back out, isn't it?
there all the time. Otherwise, there wouldn't be, would there? Pours a lot of metal over there, doesn't it? Pours a lot of metal. I was gonna next time like after this one, put a little like crucible in there, and melt all that slag down. I bet that is what.
Still had black smoke though.
No, it wouldn't. It'd be like nasty. It wouldn't be a steel crucible with a load of borax.
I'd do a clean off that as well, any stuff like that.
Put it up to move in with it. Burning that bank up there though.
It is.
Unbelievable.
Good for you anyway, to burn petrol and brush back.
Yeah. Flames are dying down, but that's a height, man. thing that's not going to burn it. Then that branch there is not the one. So you've got it down to about it. Flames dropping down by seconds. And soon you'll be able to just do little bits on it. The embers at the bottom. And roses there get proper deep shit.
Nice roses, you know.
Show 'em on the camera, go on. Just pick the tripod up.
Roses. Grow the roses.
Pretty.
Very pretty.
That one over there is bigger and nicer.
Roses.
Go on, flicker. Come check me out.
Got a fire in the shop as well.
I am.
Perfecto.
Jack shot me in the sun. Jack shot me. Oh, I don't know he's going on.
They didn't have chemtrails, just fucking Jubilee.
Yeah. And then tomorrow can really
See the news flash? Queen publicly shit herself. Do you know, lady?
The Queen was spotted picking up a penny in the streets.
Somebody threw an hand grenade at the royal carriage.
Picking up a penny in the streets.
Who's caught picking up a penny?
Because she hadn't done her thing.
She's kind though, she gave them all of her loyal subjects day off, or 2 days off, to
Wave flags.
wave flags.
But it's not a day off, then is it? They got wave flags.
You're such a loyal citizen for staying home during the pandemic.
Thank you for not doing Christmas.
Thank you for believing that I'm alive. Thank you for believing that Philip. She likes him scummy, don't she? She was going out with Philip.
Yeah, he was a refugee, wasn't he?
Oh, fuck yeah.
A refugee to ruling the world.
My father said he was the right shit. Even my father's doctor, a lot of docs he was in, he said he used to fucking have coach loads frozen.
His own boats and
Yeah.
yachts and shit. And a fleet, didn't he?
Well, Yacht Britannia was his like fucking ka-ching. They decommissioned it for no reason whatsoever. Nothing
They do
on
that
there.
with those as well, so.
Oh, the Royals. Do you want to see Tsar Nicholas's royal ship?
No, I don't know
Star
about
Wars
those
world.
ships. They can decommission them for no reason.
Oh.
Famous ones and stuff.
But he had a royal badge as well. That's some shit. Golden toilet. Taxpayers.
Like the fastest sailboat in the world they recently scrapped.
I'm loyal. I'm a loyal subject.
Ones that should be in
Subjected.
museums. Things that should be in museums and be scrapped these days.
It's fucking weird how everyone gotta give all their money to one family. It's really, really weird.
Yeah, no one do that.
No, I know that.
That's a joke. Maybe once upon a time when it was monarchy, you know,
Yeah.
now it's computer world.
So I wonder what the protesters were protesting for in postcards and parade.
I know the Republic
Bullshit.
was like, you know, the Republic, that newspaper.
Yeah.
They had put billboards all over Wales to say, make this monarchy the last.
Right. Yeah, let's make this monarchy the last.
Republic.
Right, do I like butter?
You damaged it.
Let's
It's
see.
dead now.
Do I like butter? This is science, real
Survive
science.
being squished, but not being hit. No, wait.
No!
Yeah, wait for it to burn down a little bit.
Fucking
Put smaller bits on. That's it. No, do it more carefully.
You know I was a fireman, don't you?
No, that's not.
I'm gonna go round there now
In the pit.
with my fire stick. You know in the Czech Republic they let little fucking kids chuck woods in the fire and the fireman says nothing and there's you going on it.
And you still screw it up, I know.
I'm totally safe with fire alarm. Is that any good?
Which one of us actually makes fireworks?
Yeah, you're just next.
wide variety of skills as opposed to you.
I love a draw.
Skank magnet.
Stack. I turn my stack magnet off.
Reverse polarity. Reverse polarity skank magnet.
Ow!
You repel women now. You repel them now.
Good.
A ladder, but that other one.
Is it wooden?
No, it's not. I'll do for a sec. That's gonna go really quick, that is.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing now. Probably.
I'm getting closer.
Really big beer.
Yeah.
660 milliliters. Go back beyond my tongue. On you.
Fucking Jubilee though, isn't it? It's gonna be shit
I know,
for travelling in Cardiff.
no can't fucking get
And
it.
there's all concerts and stupid shit on. Street fucking parties.
It's all the posters are in Tuesday to and after.
What a bullshit that is.
Doesn't matter that big asshole.
It's a shame, innit? I really look forward to my letters.
Don't have to lots of carry something else. Although that'll probably be mostly freebies.
Love a bonfire. Daisy's purple.
Stop picking flowers, you're killing them.
Not killing them, because I'm
Wow.
spreading the seeds and making fucking
Well,
more.
spread them seeds then.
Yeah,
Spread them.
yeah.
Spread the top there.
I'm impressed. Fucking Lord of the Rings in me, you psycho.
Even this Brucer.
Lord of the Flies in me, I know.
Lord of the Flies, yeah. Lord of the Rings or Brucer. I like that. Magazines. Don't say you don't like the Lord of the Rings magazines, they're good.
Good.
Some amazing art in there. It's all like nature and horses and shit. Or so like crystal caves and
Ladders burn good, don't they?
I told you it'd be 30 seconds. What was that bit of cable? There's a nail sticking out.
Brush with that.
Push it over there. Child.
It wasn't big, you know, it's big at the front.
All the offcuts and stuff. I'm just gonna mulch down anyway, innit?
I'm both dry that shit.
No, I'm just gonna mulch the rats and shit like eating that sort of wood anyway. Because they make wood lice. Wood lice?
Yeah.
And they eat wood lice, don't they? They're like crunchy fucking
The trees I love all of them, they like fire because it's like, it's giving them
carbon, I know.
Yeah.
Because when you breathe on plants. No, go away. Go on. Need to fucking find the oil.
It's that,
I know there's some
it's on
already.
the deck.
That's it. Is that the input or the output?
But gonna get to
No, an output is when the oil comes out.
well, the out is fucking under the sun. A little fucking bolt, same as a car, and you fucking bleed the oil out. Same as an oil change for a car. They used to do it on fucking major engines, though. They just put it out of the bilges.
It's done recently, so I usually got to do it after 50 hours
But you,
of running the engine. So I'm gonna have to bind it in like 50 hours to do that in like a dozen outings. Yeah?
yeah, man.
What's that? 50 hours, that's 3 days total. Innit? Hours. So what if people out work for like 10 hours or something, just keep them on the day?
show you Jack.
No, he said he'd done it recently.
Yeah, well, there you go. Have fun. Honestly, you could do like a couple of 200 miles.
50 hours, he says. I don't
Fuck.
know how many miles.
50 fucking hours? That's fucking
Miles,
nuts,
that
Will.
is.
How many miles is that? And that's like 5 knots. That's fucking wow. There's fucking 24 hours.
500 miles.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Alright. Yeah, never mind. Alright then. That's like along the bay on the wall.
Sounds easy.
Half night, you can get over people like one room to do.
And keep it sound
So much.
don't even hear them up there, because look where I am.
All the way. So what's Meg on my roof?
I don't know. Just fucking dirt.
Oh, it's like a fucking satellite dish.
It's not satellite stuff.
Splashes or a
Satellites are like germs, they
Then
CGI.
what's that then? It's on the other side. Isn't it?
It's all bullshit. They claim a lot of fucking shit they can't substantiate. What are you doing going there? Just thinking about it this morning, I just got a list of all the bullshit.
Stop being you. Not good. Why are you always in trouble?
Truth is the best drugs there is.
Is that why you're always in trouble? Don't touch me! Stop flick! Ow! That actually hurts! What the fuck?
They hurt.
Go away! Shut up, deal with.
He's not checking stuff.
I'm the adult, you're the child. Fuck off. Be responsible. Pay your bills. Get a job selling female underwear.
But I'm going to do a job like a normal job with normal people after what I fucking done with my life. Yeah, that's going to be really weird.
Matt, get a job selling female underwear.
got a job.
No, that'd be a job for you though, wouldn't it?
Watch out. Watch out.
No, no. Poke that back in. You need some pervy job you're allowed to do.
I got a job, I'm going to get a library.
That's not a job, that's a
Saving the book.
repository of knowledge.
Yeah, I know, because piece
That
of business.
doesn't make much money.
No,
unless
it's not
you put-
me, it's going to keep me out of
You'd
trouble,
have to
though.
get someone to put every single book online and charge for it. Do you know how much how long that can take?
And rare books, get everyone to like, want to buy like extra fucking rare books, so it's do like real damage to them.
No, I said you got a copy of all to an online
We're going to do it.
PDF.
Going to do it. Going to do it. Everyone's.
And not offer them for
You
free.
bet best resource on earth.
You need to offer like only like certain percentage for free. Like 20% of every library or something.
Library of Congress, I'll have to update game. Being very primal about fire. I want to do a lot of dance, but I might make rain.
Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
Oh.
Sit down. So you break the world. Again.
Well, they could have seen my bum crack when I was sitting there. That would be wrong.
Yeah, probably. Go away! Touching me, trying to get me the thing.
This is my gemmy stick. Look, there's nails on it.
You need on my boat
Stick
one.
right in
You
there.
could have like do something really stupid
And they're
on my boat
rusty.
one day.
Proper rusty as
And
well.
I'll push you in. And you'll be like, I can't swim.
I can swim. But
Oh.
if I can swim, it's going to save my life.
I'll
I wouldn't do it.
I'll just leave you
I
there.
wouldn't do swim through choice.
I'll just leave you there.
Because that's like stupid. Only people who can swim would do that. Otherwise, it's like
I'll
dangerous.
just chuck you a life jacket and say swim.
Lawrence, I swum in the North Sea in the fucking Mediterranean off of Malta.
I've been kicked.
No, with a life jacket on.
I've been kicked out swimming in the sea because it was so rough.
Swum off at Linda Spa.
Remember that? When I was on the surfboard,
Oh yeah.
I
Yeah.
got kicked off and fucking Coast Guard come and got me. They were like, oh, fuck it, bitch. Ow! They were ultra demanding. I was like, no, I'm having fun. They were like, you're gonna die. I was like, no, I'm not. I can swim well.
The wankers anyway, I jump in. I used to jump in, not being a good swimmer. Fuck it.
No, it was really rough that
I know-
day,
I know,
and the
that's-
tide was coming in, not out.
Well, I was going to send off that wrong, but I want off in the face.
So it was either you getting slammed because the tide was out there, or you'd be pulled off the sea out of the tide. All this stuff, isn't it? Really sort of But I guess with a lot of parasites in the crew.
Oh yeah, it was proper good, honestly.
No, I mean the smoke up there, they're all like blue. Or they're all stunned.
Yeah. Smoke box,
Right.
seas.
Exactly. So imagine mice. And insects and parasites. And they're all dropping out of these. Better for the tree. Fuck off! You can hit me with that.
I'm not going to eat you.
Just stop it! I've got a bottle in my hand.
You know these things escalate, don't you?
People have had dreams about me killing me.
I know, because I was throwing stuff at you and you killed me.
Yeah.
I know.
What's that tattoo? I got people
Not the
throwing
pro stuff
stuff
you
at
do.
me and I killed it. It's just so annoying. I'm the only person in the universe that can tolerate you for any length of time,
Not the tolerated.
but not for long.
Nothing.
I'm the only person that can tolerate you for any length of time.
Is it because I'm too much fun for you?
Oh, that's just because you fucking annoying and you go all like psycho and evil.
I get bored. We're so boring. It's called Bon Scottitis. Whoa, fucking hell, look at all that.
It's called Martin Nicholas.
Huh?
It's called Martin Nicholas.
Keep going on about me.
You're burning up. That's gonna burn in a second.
No, they're fence panels, dude.
You need to get rid of
Double
some.
flat
You
burn.
need to get rid of some of it because it's burning like nasty critters. Leave the wood on.
Going nice, though.
It's hot from where I'm sitting.
I know, I'm getting like proper tan. So that's what I do.
Why?
Because I'm getting like all bug bit.
Bring the radio over.
Yeah, man. Oh no, I don't want it smelling a fucking bonfire though. Everything's on a bonfire.
What, the radio?
No. No, my Ben Sherman.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I just smell
Ben
it.
Sherman, no got me.
Huh?
Shit.
Which one?
All of it.
Mo, Mel, which one?
No, most bad. No.
Uh-huh.
Thompson.
Yeah, I know, keep getting this confused because she ain't my bloody mum.
Yeah, everybody's in there.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Looks after more than he says.
Look at right. Look like everyone should have got.
Yeah, I mean, it sacrifices a lot of time. I wouldn't be able to do that myself. I'd be like, I can't, you can't do it. You, I
I
can't
don't know, she does it. She's
Can't
a
go
miracle.
to a project, so I'm going to lose my mind. You know?
Yeah. It's some special stuff. Is Is it still?
Yeah, it's only 25 minutes in.
Oh, let me have a look. Oh, sweet.
We're going to get a zoom in into the fire. Move it back a little bit.
It's a wicked anvil there. Is that yours?
Yes, that's my anvil.
Fucking full size there.
Yeah, I know it's a full sizer. I've made knives on it.
Drop that off and I built it. Right too damage.
You can only see the fire right now.
That would be a normal thing to think.
Weird angle.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Bonfire with the leakers.
Trying to get right into the fire because it looks
Mad
nice.
display jesting cards if they cut off roads. Welcome to the house fun. Loads of old men doing a madness dance. Okay.
That's a good angle. That looks cool. Try and get him straight on angle. What?
Whoa!
Alright, I'm good.
Wow!
I'm not going to hit your beverage.
You hit it, you won't give me another.
No, I'm not. That's a good angle on you.
Yeah, that's all.
You've got ash in your hair. Other way on the back. On this way. It looks quite good on that. It's like one of them. It looks like a screensaver. Doesn't it?
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Doesn't it look like a screensaver though?
Yeah. A bit of
Bonfire screensaver.
Brian Adams. Don't think I could pick that up, can I?
Probably. It's something faint in the background though.
Right.
Skinner.
Oh, you go it. Oh, I'll do that. I'll do one now. I know it's lazy burden on fucking Trent pretending to be Czechoslovakian. I checked it out, I read it. It's alright.
It's not like,
not like their fucking
triple
stuff.
distilled Smirnoff pasta. You don't get a hangover.
You don't get hangover off Czech beer. That's the best beer.
Well, I'll soon
Check
find
this
out in the
beer.
morning. No, don't follow me, don't follow me, because you're going to be out of the shop.
50p bet on it.
There we go. Goodly angle. 29 minutes in.
That's your back and your burnt back. That's it side on. I got wet button and all on this grass. Sit on your feet.
I know the fucking sick. I think I just arrived or something.
Woodage. Fireman, you gotta say fireman. All the bits on the edges need to go back in there. Otherwise it's gonna like burn around the edges. Rotten through all that ass. Rotten through. It's causing wood lice. And the rats going for wood lice. And there's a gully by there and like a massive, what would you call that? A trench? By the BT, what would you call it? A trench?
Culver's.
Culvert. Indestructible by there, or ran out by there. You know? Don't noise. Listen to the fire. I'm turning this fucking BLT music. Fucking drummer. This is the incinerator like that.
I know, it's good.
But you wouldn't be able to.
No, you won't get much in there. Nice doing ladders and stuff.
Yeah, well, yeah, I kept on.
Or his bills.
And you're chucking them all out. And you just in space for the stairs. So, nice. Nice hot pot over there.
What, that?
Under that plastic stuff.
Oh, is it? There's wood everywhere.
Yeah, whatever. Well, that's one of those I'm throwing out. Weird thing. I want to get more scratch cards on the top of it. So we're pretty lucky anyway. Scratch cards are up. I won before on them.
Oh, wow.
You know, I probably won more than I've spent on them. Scratch cards.
I know.
A lot of people are pissed for it.
I don't buy them.
But I've won like a fair bit on.
Gambling, innit?
Yeah, I know, but I've won them like a lot. Oh my god, I usually win. My ratio is good. Don't do that. Why are you digging the garden? Stop it! Wanted a fucking a garden destroyed, I'd get the council in.
Combing the grass. Look,
No, you
there's a
can't.
nail on it.
Stop fucking trying to do stuff. You break the whole garden. On your garden. Your garden's full of druggies.
No, I can't. Fucking go in my garden.
So stop it.
Garden's king of crack sticking out there.
House crackula.